For today's headline news, Pinoy teacher denies outraging students' modesty in Malaysia. A Filipino teacher has pleaded innocent before a Malaysian court over charges that he outraged the modesty of a 14-year-old student last May. The Filipino music teacher was identified as Rolando Suarez Fernandez, 48 years old, according to a report by Malaysia's The Star Online on Friday. The report said the 14-year-old was a student at the international school where Fernandez worked. The Star Online report did not give further details on how Fernandez alleged outrage the girl's modesty. Fernandez has been accused of using criminal force on the girl to outrage her modesty at around 9:45 in the morning in a music room at the Austin Heights International School in Johor Bahru last May 23. In the meantime, Magistrate Mod Azlan Shah Mod Alayas set bail at 10,000 Malaysian money and fixed July 22 for next mention. An excerpt from VVP GMA News. This is AJ from Turco Finland broadcasting live streaming only here in Freedom Online Radio 104.0.